Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to delete my tweets on X. So first of all, let's open X application on my phone, and then you have to tap profile picture at the top left corner of your screen and then access your profile. And as you can see, your profile is divided into several tabs just right here, and you have to go to section with your posts. So find specific post that you want to delete, then tap three-dot button next to it, select function delete post, and of course confirm your decision by tapping delete button. So that's basically how you can delete your tweets on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.